Mr. Shine! Ra, ra. Hey, yo! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, I've encountered another Trinidadian artist. This person is called Kez. And the title of the song is called Cocoa Tea. Not the artist in Jamaica who's called Cocoa Tea.
Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you.
Right? Why this title? Why this song? I'm eager to learn. So big up to all my Trinis out there. No fluff from Jamaica. Big up on the bumbo cloth self. You don't know. Make we hear where Kez ready to give us another one. You see, pray. Peace. Okay. So, is all these soca songs from Trinidad so and so good? Right? No. This guy is telling a woman that when he's under the weather, she makes him feel sweet. Perfect example of why the song called Cocoa Tea. Because when you are sipping cocoa tea under the weather, it doesn't matter if it's raining, sun, hail, snow, winter, spring, autumn, in one of those natural causes, the weather makes him feel sweet whenever time he's around that person. And this is something that I really intrigued to know. God. Oh my God. So, she's the only woman that can put fire back in her skin. She's the one that can make you feel melted away because of her beautifulness. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Yo, yo, okay. So this girl is coming home. Okay? I want to see you. So, Miss Sweetness, Miss Tasty Wonderful Woman. Hey, babe, babe, can't wait to taste your skin. No, after all that long day, right? I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see her, bro. Trust me. Oh, oh. Yo, can you turn it up, my darling? When outside is raining. Yeah, my darling. When it's raining a lot outside, she's the one, bro. She's the one. Pa, 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 pa. Yo, I can make concentrate because that sugar is rushing through my entire vein. That woman is having this man in it. It's mating season. She is having him in it. He cannot even concentrate. You say, bro, me I go hold you close. Because you are the fire that heated my soul. Yeah. You are the cocoa tea that makes me feel sweet. Yeah. 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 Definitely. Definitely. This woman, right? She left the place, right? And he's like wondering, dreaming about her. When are you coming home again? Because she leaves a mark. She leaves a burn spot on him, so that spot can never be replaced or removed because it's now scarred. Bro is scarred into love of this woman. Bro, love this woman so much. Miss Cocotti. Just put a pot for the fire, mama. Make it go and bubble and bubble and bubble. Yeah. Get the place naughty. Like, bro, this woman, bro, she's special to this guy. Right? When it's under the weather, you make me feel sweet. That's completion, bro. That's completed. Cocoa tea and the sugar. That's the two things that make them feel complete. Because without the tea, the sugar is of no use. Right? And without sugar, the tea is of no use. Sugar have to be added to something for it to be useful. It can be useful when you can eat it raw, but that's not the case here. Right? The tea should be sweet. And without those two combination of ingredients, the ingredient will not be flavor. Whoa! Great one, Kez. Great one. That song is fire. Damn. It's a perfect song. Perfect song. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. Stay tuned, Trinidad. We all love you. Jamaica love you. And peace.